Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Brian and Bianca from the Beehive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're doing a quick install and a somewhat review of the Spiderweb shade for the Jeep JL with the power touch top. Let's take a look. All right guys, so in this video we're doing an install of the Spiderweb shade. If you have the one touch roof, it's going to be easier if you take little sides off like so, like Bianca's doing. And you can take a look inside. We already got one side done. We're not going to make you watch every nut and bolt because that's just goofy. But we will tell you the little tips and tricks, and we'll tell you exactly where you need to put the little silver things so that you don't have to actually read the instruction book.
Bungee holders.
Bungee.
They
so
do
you
not
need this little
send
tool.
Instruction. What they actually say on the instruction sheet is customers have come up with so many amazing ways to put this on themselves that they would encourage you to go look at videos, which was really smart because it makes you want to buy more of their products. So
look
kudos
at this
to
video.
them.
So look at this video
at
and
this
like
video.
and subscribe. This is the cool install tool that they provide with it. And a little bit of advice. If it's the year 2031 and you're buying this 10-year-old 2021 Jeep Gladiator JL,
Nope, it's not
then go
Gladiator.
ahead, or yep, nope. If you're buying this 2021 JL Jeep and you really don't care about how things turn out, then go ahead and use a power tool to remove those screws. I hate that, watching videos where people are using a drill to remove a screw. Get a screwdriver with a 1/4 inch Torx bit. This is number 25 Torx bit on it, but with what we've done here is stuck it on a ratchet with a 1/4 inch bit. And use that so that you don't over torque the screw. There's no reason to screw this thing down, and I guarantee you cannot do it with a drill without screwing it up. Screw it. So use the proper tool. Hand tool is just fine. Anyways, why'd you buy this, B?
A couple reasons. One, because I sunburn at the drop of a hat. Two, my children sunburn quicker than I do. And we live in Vegas. It's nice and hot, and I really wanted to have the comfort of being topless, but not being fully topless, you know, pasties.
Partially topless?
Yeah.
This is a pasty look?
This is the pasty
JL.
look. So
JL pasty?
it's, for me, I'm hoping it's just gives us a chance to enjoy.
So she's removed this one right here, that one little 25, number 25 Torx. Not these two.
Ask us how we know.
But this one, ask us how we know. That's why you're watching this video, to avoid the mistakes that other people have made.
Yes.
Right, B?
Yeah. All right, well, once we get this going, we'll click back on.
So we're gonna get it all the way installed and show you what we got. Right?
Yes.
All right, what are we doing, B?
We are using the handy dandy tool that they gave us, which was really easy in the front, but in the back, I feel like it likes to get a little wound up in there. So you just need to be patient and keep doing it. And it should come through. See it like, I don't know if you can see that up there. What it does is it tends to bunch and turn a bit. See, watch, you'll see it pop up and it turns sideways. See it?
Nope, don't see it at all.
Oh, see, it's right here.
Can you get it?
So
I saw it.
Yeah, so what you have to do is just keep going until you find a spot.
All right, so she got it through.
Yay!
Now, how do you connect it?
You pull it through, which is going to be on. And
Show us
you're
what you got, B.
going to want to kind of feel for the spot that it can come through.
Cool.
And when it does,
Now when you get it on there, move the cord around. There you go, look at you. Nicely done.
handy dandy tool.
All right.
Good news, on the next one, you don't have to worry because you end up putting it on, which one?
Right,
like this one here. And so you can just wrap around and it's not nearly as stressful looking. So don't worry for the last one. The orange, the little silver thing's on the other side. So we take this one out and I'll go
Starting to look pretty good up here, isn't it? Definitely a little shade, but still the open top. That's cool. I didn't know you're so handy, B.
Well, you know.
You do so many different things.
My husband teaches me these things.
Oh, yeah? All right, so now Bianca's gonna show you how to tie this little. All right, so you take it, you put it through the first little thing like that. You're gonna pull it through the second one as well.
This is where double hands come nice, because what we're gonna do is I want it nice and tight so it doesn't like.
Double hands.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, double jazz hands.
Dad, let me come in.
Hey, buddy, hang on. It's hot out here.
Let me come in.
Okay.
When you have kids, lots of hands helping. All right.
Ready?
All right, here it comes.
All right, let's see if this works. And it one touch. There it is.
Close up of Brian's face over there.
Little Prime Country.
This is Prime Country's Prime 30, where we live.
Here's the part I'm curious about.
My jukebox.
Number 9.
Here you go.
Worked good. Worked
Where
really
you
good.
guys going?
Okay. We should get that wound back up.
Here, we'll just take this.
And
I'm just gonna push this through here.
look at that.
What do you think?
I like it. I'm excited. I think it's gonna keep us from getting sunburned, that's for sure.
You getting burned up?
The kids in the back and see if it smacks them in the face and stuff. Meaning the wind. The wind. They didn't like the wind in there.
All right, guys. So we're back with the Spiderweb shade for the one-touch roof. What do you think, B?
I like it.
I love it. It's like, seriously, it's a game changer. It's one thing to have the one touch that's amazing and worth every penny, because now you have a completely convertible car out of a Jeep. But this is something you can't get in a regular convertible. You're not going to get a little bit of shade with the top open. It's nice. You got the sun, you can see the cloud, you can see everything outside, but
Yeah, I like it. I kind of wish I would have gotten a color though, now that I have it
I
up
wish
there.
you got red, because it would have accented the
Yeah, now I'm looking at it going, did I want the color or not?
I like it.
That is the question.
Black is fine. Looks cool. But you can get it in multiple colors. Purple, red,
I know.
black. What other colors be?
Orange, teal,
Wow.
white, American flag, blue, Blue Lives Matter, you name it, it comes in.
That's cool.
I think they came in like the Texas flag, like seriously, anything you can think of, it came.
All right.
This is 55 miles an hour, and I don't feel that it's crazy loud, do you?
It's nice. I like it.
I do too. I think it's a really great purchase, really great product.